Right, today we have a very special bike to bring you. This is an absolutely stunning Aprilia RSV4 RF. So pretty much as close to getting a full prep race bike for the road. Specification on this machine is absolutely unbelievable. Obviously, heart of the bike, you've got that V4 engine, just over 200 brake horsepower out of the RF model. That combined with the amazing aluminium chassis, aluminium swinging arm, lightweight forged wheels. You then got all the spec of obviously Olin suspension front and rear, even Olin steering damper, monoblock calipers, and then you've got all the electronics package. You've got launch control, wheelie control, racing ABS, you name it, this bike has got it. Absolutely superb machine. And obviously in the racing graphics as well. Say 2017, just over 5,000 miles on the clock. So you can imagine with that mileage, absolutely superb condition again. And again, when you look at, I say, the quality of the components on this bike, with the Olin suspension, those monoblock calipers, some sensible mods as well. Obviously, you've got the carbon fibre frame covers. You've got the R&G mushroom protectors on there as well. Same as obviously got the swinging arm covers there as well. And as you can see, that full TTX fully adjustable Olin suspension on the back there. And as you can see, the anodized forged aluminium wheels as well. Not many bikes look as good from the back as they do from the front, but this is one of those exceptions. Stunning bike from whichever angle you look at it. And I say heart of the bike is that 201 brake horsepower to be exact. V4 engine there from Aprilia. As you can see, all the rider aids you've got on the bike, all accessible from the handlebars. There's that fully coloured TFT dash as well, and as you can see, normal stuff in there to begin with. Obviously you've got digital speedo, digital rev counter, digital gear indicator, but then you can see all the modes and stuff come up when you sort of prime the bike. Again, full details of this bike will be on our website, speedthrills.co.uk. You can also give us a call on Exeter 01392 211 246 for full details. And hopefully if you enjoyed the video, please feel free to give us a like and hopefully subscribe. Again, thanks for watching.